Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, they got ice, and we got how hot is it?
We got game.
We got game.
We need
here
a
in
sound
South
effect for this.
If you're visiting it from somewhere where there's ice, you're going to be in trouble here because the hotometer here is going almost all the way to a scorcher there. It is going to be blazing hot for tomorrow, 105 to 110. Weather Service will probably, as Cindy comes in the morning, issue the heat advisory between 10 and 6 p.m. That's how hot things are going to be. I mean, it's still a very steamy night across South Florida here in this midsummer with temperatures in the mid-90s, still in the triple digits there in Marathon. And I'll show you the feels like temperature for your neighborhood coming up in just about a minute and a half here as we check in. Still in some showers flying in from the Atlantic there. That's a nice little downpour that'll get you on 95 there, Pompano Beach. This continues moving rather quickly to the north and west, but a few more may develop there. So that is going to be the case for the remainder of tonight, and then we'll be done, and then we'll re-rack for tomorrow. But the southeast wind is still prevailing. That's going to push storms to the west. And then on top of that, the coverage will be lower because we have Saharan dust that's going to be in. Get ready for the sunsets. Get the cameras ready. That's going to be one of those deals where you get that red sky there setting up because of the dust and the sun refracting on all those particles there. But it is going to lower rain chances, except for next week. I think by next week we'll start getting into some better thunderstorm activity here and some good rainfall. We are well below normal for the month. We have a surplus for the year because of June, but lawns are yellow. I get it. We get a little bit of rainfall. We don't want it on the weekend, and we really won't get much. I mean, this is, again, all pushing off towards the west. A very similar setup coming up for Sunday once again with that east to southeast wind until we get to Monday, and then better rain chances coming up. The southwestern part of the peninsula has seen all the action throughout the week with this kind of pattern, and that won't change for the next couple of days. In the tropics, the same Saharan dust. It's going to impact our weather. You can see the stretching out for just, I mean, the entire Atlantic Ocean here going out to Africa, and that's what's, of course, limiting tropical cyclone activity, and we're not expecting anything over the next 7 days. The waves have tried to get organized, but they've ingested all that dry air. So that is good for us. Rip currents on the low side if you're making it a beach day. The Atlantic waters, light chop to a moderate chop perhaps across the Keys there. We'll watch for that. But otherwise, here come the temperatures through the afternoon. These are the feels like temperatures with the humidity. So low to mid 100s once again, between 102, 105. And it's just going to depend. And this is going to be for several hours, not just 1 or 2 hours. So that's why we'll probably get another heat advisory here coming up for tomorrow afternoon. As far as the rain chances, limited 20 to 30% at best, I think, for tomorrow, about 30 to 40 with a little more coverage. The leading edge of that moisture I showed you is coming in on Sunday night, and that will set the stage, I think, for some wet weather here, some good downpours coming up by the time we get back to work on Monday.